In this video, I explain here the most important 4 marks problems from the probability. So this is the first problem. If A speaks truth in 75% of the cases and B in 80% of the cases, then what is the probability that their statements about an instant don't match? So given data is A speaks truth in 75% of the cases. So first I write the given data here. The probability for A speaks truth is equal to the probability for A speaks truth. P of A is equal to 75%. 75% means this is equal to 75 by 100, and by taking the cancellation we get 3 by 4, which implies the value of P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 3 by 4, and 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 4, and also given that the probability that B speaks truth is equal to 80%. The probability for B speaks truth is equals to the probability for B speaks truth is P of B is equal to what is given 80%. 80% means 80 by 100. Now taking 20 table cancellation we get 4 by 5, which implies the value of P of B bar is equal to 1 minus P of B, and 1 minus P of B is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. Now these are the given values. What is the given question? What is the probability that their statements about an instant don't match? Means A speaks the truth, then B don't speaks the truth. B speaks the truth, then A don't speak the truth. Statements about their instant don't match. That is the required. So the required probability is, therefore, required probability is A speaks truth but B don't speak the truth, means we take that this is P of A intersection B bar. Here A speaks truth but B don't speaks the truth, plus second value is equals to P of B intersection A bar, means here B speaks the truth but A don't speak the truth. So this is the required probability, and here these two are the independent events. So we take that this value is equals to P of A into P of B bar, and the second value is equal to P of B into P of A bar, since the events are the independent events. Now substituting the values, P of A is equal to 3 by 4, P of B bar is equal to 1 by 5, plus P of B is equal to 4 by 5, P of A bar is equal to 1 by 4. So this is equal to 3 by 20 plus 4 by 20. So the answer is equal to 7 by 20. 3 plus 4, 7 by 20. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem. This is also the very important problem for 4 marks. See the problem. A problem in calculus is given to two students A and B whose chances of solving it are 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 respectively. Find the probability of the problem being solved if both of them try independently. So this is a given data. So a problem in calculus is given to two students A and B whose chances of solving it are 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. That is, given that the probability to solve the question by A is equals to, given that the probability for solving the problem by A is equals to P of A is equals to, what is given? P of A is equal to 1 by 3, whose chances are 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4, that is P of A is equal to 1 by 3, and the probability for solving the problem by B, the probability for solving the problem by B is P of B is equal to 1 by 4. Now what is given? Find the probability of the problem. What is the question? Find the probability of the problem being solved. That is, what is the probability to solve a problem if both of them try independently. So both of them try independently means we take that the value of P of A intersection B is equals to P of A into P of B. Since here A comma B are the independent events. This is the definition of the independent events. Since A comma B are the independent events, we take that P of A intersection B is equals to P of A into P of B. So this value is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. That is equals to 1 by 12. Now question is find the probability of the problem being solved. That is, we want the value of P of A union B. The problem will be solved. So P of A union B is equals to, what is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now substituting the values. P of A is equal to 1 by 3. P of B is equals to 1 by 4. And P of A intersection B is equals to 1 by 12. Now taking 12 LCM. So this is 4 plus 3 minus 1. 6 by 12 is equals to 1 by 2, which is the required answer. That's all. Next problem, the most important 4 marks problem. The probability for a contractor to get a road contract is equal to 2 by 3 and to get a building contract is equal to 5 by 9, and the probability to get at least one contract is equal to 4 by 5. Then find the probability that he gets both the contracts. So this is the given data. What is the given data here? The probability for a contractor to get a road contract is equal to 2 by 3. The probability, first we write the given data here. Given that the probability for getting the road contract is P of R is equal to, road contract means we take that value is equal to P of R, that is equal to 2 by 3, and the probability for getting the building contract is equals to, the probability for getting a building contract is P of B is equal to 5 by 9. For getting a building contract is P of B is equal to 5 by 9. Now, and also given that the probability to get at least one contract. So the probability to get at least one contract means, and given that at least one contract means P of R union B. The probability for getting at least one contract, that is P of R union B, is equal to 4 by 5. And what is given question? Find the probability that he gets both the contracts, means we want the value of P of R intersection B. So both the contracts means we have to find this value. Now what is the formula? From the addition theorem we have that P of R union B is equal to P of R plus P of B minus P of R intersection B. So this is the formula. Now substituting the values. P of R union B is equal to 4 by 5 and P of R is equal to 2 by 3 and P of B is equal to 5 by 9 minus P of R intersection B. Here we want this value, so we write this value at this side. So we take this value to this side and this value to this side. That is P of R intersection B is equal to, writing this minus P of R intersection B to this side. That becomes positive 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9 minus 4 by 5. Writing this 4 by 5 to this side. Now taking LCM, here 45 is LCM. 3 15s, 15 into 2 30, 9 5s are 25, 5 9s are 36. So this is equals to 19 by 45. That's all. This is the answer.